equal to f. X is equal to f inverse of y. Hello? Huh? Recording. Right, everyone see. So f of x is equal to y. X is equal to f inverse of y. X is equal to f inverse of y. Is it clear? So now x place is write down a power of y minus a power of minus y by 2 is equal to f inverse of y. Y place take x sum. Y place take x. F inverse x is equal to a power of x minus a power of minus x by 2. This is the F inverse x. Okay, na? So this is the long procedure, na sir. This procedure you have to get idea. For explanation part, I will write long procedure, but we can do within the seconds only. Okay, na? So you should be have practice mean. So I am writing a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So now no need. Fast we can do that. Okay, na? Then we get a power of y, reciprocal. Immediately we can get it within the short time only. Okay, na? So now this point should be remembered. F of x means x image is equal to y. X image is equal to y. X is equal to f inverse of y means its pre-image is x. So therefore, x means a power of y minus a power of minus y by 2. F inverse of y. Okay, na? F inverse of y. Y is replaced, then it will be converted into the x. Therefore, that is the inverse of function. This is the one of the object to inverse function is the important. Okay, na? Right. I go through the second one. Right. Second problem is if f of x is equal to, everyone see me, object to second problem. If f of x is equal to e power of x, g of x is equal to 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2, where f is a mapping from R to R and G is a mapping from R to R. Find first one is, so G, F circle G at x. Second bit is G circle F at x. Third bit is F circle G inverse of x. Fourth bit is G circle F inverse of x. Right. These are the required. Fast we can do. So everyone, you should be do the fast. So I will do this point. Next I go through the PU syllabus. Fast everyone do this one. Right. See the first. What is the given hint of the problem is F circle G at x. Circle means bracket F of G of x. What is the G of x is? What is the G of x value? Is the 3x minus 2. F definition, x place write down 3x minus 2. This is the, so F circle G at x. Immediately its inverse also I am going to find. Immediately I am going to find in its inverse also. Everyone see, let y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. So then, if necessary, so f inverse of y is equal to x. If necessary, we can use this one. Now we can see y is equal to e power of 3x minus 2. F of x value is, take log y is equal to logarithm of e power of 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Power comes before, log y is equal to 3x minus 2. Log e value is what? X value find out. So log y plus 2, 2 plus log y by 3 is equal to x. What is the x value? Write down, Amma. So f inverse of y, y replace. So 2 plus log x by 3 is equal to f inverse of x. One bit is completed. So it's so first reason, right? This is the clear, everyone. Right. Second bit, go through the second bit, Amma. Go through the second bit. Everyone go through the second bit. What is the second bit? G circle F fast we can do. G circle F at x. G circle G of bracket of f of x. What is the f of x value? Right down. What is the f of x value? Is e power of x. This substitute in place of x. This substitute in place of x. So 3 into x place is the 3 power of x minus 2. That is the G circle F at x. Same model fast we can do. Same model inverse also. Simple. So what I am going to write? Let y is equal to f of x. If necessary, f inverse of y is equal to x. Okay, na? Right. 3 into e power of x minus 2. 3 into, now find out the x value. Y plus 2 is by 3 is equal to e power of x. Now take logarithm. Logarithm of y plus 2 by 3 is equal to x. Okay, na? Is equal to x. X means write down. What is the x value? Log of y plus 2 by 3 is equal to f inverse of y. So x replace y with x, we get the answer. X replace with y, y replace with x. So log of y plus 2 by 3 is equal to f inverse of y. Replace y with x. Log of x plus 2 by 3 is equal to f inverse x. This is a very simple process. Okay, na? Right. First, we can do the objective means. PU problems is very easy. So, right, everyone see we have the two problems only. Objective we should be complete mean. We go through the exercise problems. Right, everyone see. Right. Third problem, question number 3. What is the question number 3? If F is a mapping from 1 included infinity not included to 2 included infinity not included codomain, domain to codomain is given by f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x. Find f inverse x. Find f inverse x. Immediately see the problem in. So I will write hint already will tell. Let y is equal to f of x if necessary. F inverse of y is equal to x. Keep in the box. If f of x value is x plus 1 by x, take LCM. So y is equal to x square plus 1 by x. Apply the cross multiplication. By the cross multiplication, x square minus xy plus 1 is equal to 0. From this one, I want x value only. How can you find x value? It is the quadratic equation in terms of x. x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square. X coefficient is the minus y, b square minus 4, a value is the 1, c value also 1 by 2a value is the 1. So x is equal to minus y plus or minus root of y minus 4 by 2. Okay, na? X place right down. F inverse of y is equal to minus y plus or minus root over y square minus 4 by 2. Y replace with x. Y replace with x. Immediately we get the inverse. Y replace with x. First. So F inverse of x is equal to minus x plus or minus root over x square minus 4 by 2 is the inverse. Finish. Very simply, I am doing the inverse function. Last problem, we can do the last problem in. So inverse is completed. We enter into the our CBSE. What is the textbook problem? Right, everyone see. Here, correct answer is the plus because of domain is a positive, codomain also positive. Therefore, only positive we can take. F inverse x is equal to, correct answer right now. So minus x plus root over x square minus 4 by 2. So by means domain is a positive, codomain is a positive. Domain is positive, domain also positive, codomain also positive. Both are positive. That's why inverse also we take it as a positive. Okay, na? Right. Last problem. Right. If g of x, last problem, I am going to enter into the last problem. Fourth problem, if g of x is the inverse of, g of x is the inverse of f of x, inverse of f of x, and f dash x is equal to derivative. F dash x means dash means derivative. F dash x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x power of 5. Then g dash x is equal to, then the derivative of g is, then the derivative of g is. They are asking that question, right? What they are going to give it, I will write here. Everyone observe. G of x is the inverse of f of x. Indeed, g of x is equal to inverse of f of x. F inverse x. Okay, na? F inverse bring on the left hand side. F of g of x is equal to x. F inverse bring on the left side. F of g of x is equal to x. So okay, na? So now I am going to apply the derivative with respect to x. F of g of x is equal to derivative of x with respect to x. Here dx cancel one value. Derivative first function, second one silent. F dash is a symbol, second one is a silent. By the chain rule, derivative of second one. So first one derivative, second one silent. By the chain rule, second one derivative g dash x is equal to 1. Okay, na? Is equal to 1. G dash of x is equal to 1 by f dash of gx. Okay, na? What is the f dash is given by? F dash is given by, okay, na? What is the f dash is given by? 1 by x. X place write down g of x. 1 by 1 plus g of x whole power of 5. That is the required answer. This must be completed. Okay, na? This must be completed. Right. So this part of the objective is completed, almost all. Finally, I will write functional equations. So we go through our textbook problems. So immediately we enter into our textbook problems. Everyone see. First one, exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Everyone observe exercise 1.3. Next to 1.4 also there. That is a binary operation. So 1.4 is the binary operation. Immediately I will start that one also. I will complete first two part is textbook. Everyone see exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. See our first problem is let F is a mapping from domain 1, 3, 4 and codomain, so 1 to 5. 1 to 5. And G is a mapping from domain 1 to 5 and codomain is 1, 3. Codomain is 1, 3. Be given by 1, 2, 3, 5 and 4, 1. And G is given by 1, 3, 2, 3 and 5, 1. Write down G circle F. Write down G circle F. G circle F. Right. See everyone. I am going to work out this problem. Right. Everyone see. First, what they are given, I will draw the figure. Then we can understand clearly. So, solution of the problem is F domain is this one, codomain is this one. Okay. F domain is, what is the F domain? A set is given by 1, 3, 4. This name is the A set. I am going to let it be domain. And codomain is given by 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Its mapping is given by F. What is the F mapping? 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 3 to 5, 3 to 5, 4 to 1. This is the given mapping. Okay, na? 1 to 2. I will write now. I will write in the easy understanding purpose. I will write see everyone. I will write see everyone. 1 to 2. 1 have the mapping with 2. 3 to 5. 3 mapping with 5. 4 to 1. Okay. 4 to 1. Okay. F mapping is completed. 1 image is 2, 3 image is 5, 4 image is 1. Okay. Next, one more set is given. The name of that set is, what is the set codomain? Is the only 1, 3 is given. 1, 3 is given. Right. Domain is the same 1 to 5 only. This is the B set is given. This is the G mapping. Is the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, right? 2 to 3, and next 5 to 1, 5 to 1 is given. 5 to 1 is given. Okay, na? So 5 to 1 is given. So I will write, everyone see. So basing this one, G circle F is required. G circle F at X mean we can write G bracket of F of X. G bracket of F of X. So what element first take in F, next take in G? The element take in F, next take in G. Everyone, see, here I am writing, very carefully observe. First, what I am going to give, I will write here, F of 1 image is 2, F3 image is 5, F4 image is 1. Next one, G 1 image is 3 and G 2 image also 3 and G 5 image is G5 image is 1. These are the given. I will write now come to the here. G circle F at X mean G of bracket of F of X. First X take the F, next take the G. First element take by the F, first take X take the F, next take the G. Okay, na? Right, basing this one, G circle F, F elements is 1, 3, 4. F elements take 1. G circle F element is 3. Next, G circle F element is 4. So F elements are 1, 3, 4. That elements only we can take. Okay, na? F domain is the 1, 3, 5. F is the last one is the F. That's why F domain only take. Okay, na? Now see, G F of 1. One image is in FCM. One F of 1 value is 2. F of 1 value is 2. What is the G of 2 value is 3. G of 2 value is 3. Therefore, G circle F 1 image is 3. G circle F 1 image is 3. Next, G F of 3. See on the board, what is the 3 images? F3 value is 5. F3 value is 5. G of 5. What is the G of 5 value is 1. G of 5 value is 1. Therefore, G circle F at 3 is the image is 1. Right. Everyone start. G circle F at 4. G circle F at 4. G of F of 4. What is the F4 value? See on the bottom. F4 value is 1. G of 1. What is the G1 value is 3. G1 value is 3. Therefore, G circle F 4 image is 3. Now write down G circle F element. Now write down G circle F is equal to what is that? 1 image is 3. Next, 3 image is 1. 1 image is 3. 3 image is 1. 4 image is 3. Right. 4 image is 3. That is the representation of G circle F. Okay, now clear? So first draw the figure and write down 1 image is 2 in F. So F of 1 is equal to 2. F of 3 is equal to 5. F of 4 is equal to 1. Next G. G of 1 is equal to 3. G of 2 is equal to 3. G of 5 is equal to 1. G circle F at X means G of bracket of F of X. So F is the last one. F domain only we can take. G is the last means G domain only take. F is the last. So the last one is the F. Therefore, F domain element 1, 3, 4 I will take. First, g of f of 1. F of 1 value is 2. G of 2. G of 2 value is 3. G of 2 value is 3. Right. G circle F 1 image is 3. G circle F 3 image is 1. G circle F 4 image is 3. I will write G circle F values. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Right. Second bit is nothing. Second problem is nothing. So just they are writing second problem. Everyone see. Second problem is nothing. F, G, H are the functions from R to R. F plus G, circle H. We have to show that what we are going to F circle H plus G circle H. First one solution you can see. So solution of this one. So F plus G circle function is there means its domain is needed. Domain is X I will take. F plus G bracket of H of X by the algebraical function.